Morning, children. Welcome back. You're all ready? Yes? Yes. Happy? Yes? Happy smiling face. I can see many of you are smiling. Very nice. Keep it up, children. You ready for today's session? Cha. Okay. See here. Today also we are going to learn a shape. See, there are so many shapes here. You remember last time what we did? One of the shape. Yes, correct. So today also we are going to learn one particular shape which is not here. What are all the shapes here? First you tell me that. Yes, circle. Yes, triangle, rectangle, then diamond, square. Okay, very good. Keep it up. And what is the first shape here? What is that? Circle. Can you do a circle in hand? Yes. Keep your hand like this and cover the other hand. Yes, keep it like this. Oval like thing. What is this? It's a circle. See, it's a form of a circle. Okay. See, what is the shape called? Oh, it's circle, round and round. You remember, we all would have heard this, seen this in our daily life. Yes, na? Okay. This is a full circle, a full round, complete. It is called a circle. Correct. Children, if it is half, what will you say? See, if it is full, we will say a circle. See here, what is this? Bangle. What shape is this? Circle. Correct. See, I am seeing you in bangle or not? Yes, teacher is seen in bangle. Correct. I am also seeing my children in inside the circle shape. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, this is circle. It is full. Correct. Full round is called circle. Okay, children, tell me, what is this? Can you see? What is this? Only it is half. What is this? Yes? Half circle. Very good. If it is full, we always say this as circle. If it is half, we will say half circle, semicircle. Both are one and the same. Okay. See, two half circle make a full circle. Now it has become a circle. Yes. Wow, great. This is a full circle. Correct? Okay. This is half circle. A half is called a half circle. Correct na? Okay. So, one half circle, another half circle makes a full circle. Got it? Wow, you're interested na? Yes, to learn this? Okay. Yes, even I am happy. I am also very much enthused to see what are all there. Okay, come on children. Let's see what are all there in the shape of a semicircle. Okay, what is this? A rainbow. You have seen the rainbows, correct? Before the rain comes, a rainbow will come. Yes or no? Yes, that's half circle. Rainbow is half circle. See, it is not full. It is only half. You remember? We saw? Yes. What is this? Half circle. Yes. See, if we keep like this, it is a half circle. Yes. This is the shape of one of the example for half circle. Got it? Good. So, rainbow is example for half circle. Can you think any other example, any other picture, any other thing have you crossed, seen, any object have seen? Think. I will show you now. Wow. An umbrella. What is this? This is also half circle. See, only half it is covered. Correct? What is this? Half circle. So, what is an object? Umbrella. The shape is half circle. Understood? Yes, interested? Very good. And what is this? During summer season, we used to have this. We will be having every year. Correct, na? Yes. What is this? It's very good during summer. We can have it anytime. But during summer, it is very good. What is this? A full watermelon, it's full circle. And it is half. It is called half circle. Yes. This is one more object. Okay. So, whenever next time when you see a cut watermelon or a half watermelon, you will say it is the shape of a half circle. Will you tell? Very good. See here. See, a lemon is there. Yes, a lemon is very round in shape. If you cut, what will happen? It will go into two pieces. Correct? So, two half makes a full circle. Correct na? One half and two half makes a full circle. Correct? This is half, this is half. Makes a full circle. How I showed you in the bangle? Yes. One half makes a full circle. Correct? Same way, if you cut the lemon, that will become half circle. Okay? Full lemon is a full circle. If you cut, it will become a half circle. Very good. And see, and this is, you would have seen only in pictures, correct? Anyone have seen? Yes, it's an igloo. What is it? It's an igloo. Yes, this is also, what is the shape of this? It's a half circle. What is this shape? Half circle. Got it? Okay. So, this is one more example. You all will like this. What is that? During market days, you would have seen in our school. Yes, we used to keep our fruits and vegetables also. What is that called? Basket. What is that? Basket. What is the shape of it? Half circle. See, this is covered and half only it is open. Correct? See, one way it is open. Correct? It is the other way of telling. Correct, children? Okay. So, what is it? A basket is a half circle. Got it? My dear lovely children. Very good. So, the same way, you are listening very carefully and very nicely. I am so happy. So, I thought let me give you coloring. You are interested? Very good. Now, come with your coloring, max workbook, pencil, eraser. Okay? Chalo, come. Come with your 4 things. Yes, max workbook, crayons, color pencil. Crayons is good, children. Okay? Pencil, eraser. Got it? Come and take page number. What is the page number? 2, 3, 23. Got it? What is the page number? 2, 3, 23. Great. All came. Yeah, show me. I can see many are ready with the notebooks. Books. Very good, children. Not the notebooks, with the books. Very good. Textbook. Our max textbook. Very good. Now take page number taken also. Very good. Happy to see you all, children. Very good. Very smart. And first what we should do? CW. Okay, first read the topic. What is the topic? Half circle. Read it carefully. Half circle. Good. Now write C dot W. CW. Yes. Date on left side corner. What is today's date? Areva. Excellent. Dash. Which month? 12. Yes. Dash. 20. Good. Very good. So all my children started knowing everything now. Very good, children. Keep it up. Okay. Now read the heading. What is the heading? Start reading. Color the half circles to complete the objects. Yes. What is it? Color the half circles to complete the objects. Done? Okay, what had they have given? They have given some pictures. If we color it, we will get a beautiful picture. Are all ready? Yes, I can see many smiling faces. All happy smileys today. Yes, children, come. We will go half by half. Done? Okay. See here. What is the first thing given? Picture of an, see, they have given the name also. What is that? An umbrella. What is it? Umbrella. Okay. See, any color you can give. Okay, I have given orange. You can give any color. You want to give shade. You want to draw something. You want to draw like 2 lines and again middle 1 line, and then you have to give, you want to give different colors. You can give. It's all depends on your creativity. Okay. Umbrella, just imagine what is your umbrella color. Yes, what is your favorite color? It may be of any color, so you can color it any color you want. Okay. Yes. And what is the next picture? Tortoise. What is it? Tortoise. See, tortoise obviously will be in green and brown color. Correct? Correct na? Yes. So you can give that color. Okay. And what is the below picture? It's a fruit basket. What is it? It's a fruit basket. See, you can draw lines in between. I have drawn lines in between and then I have shaded. Okay. So, my dear children, if you want to cross and then give colors for one color, one box, also you can do it. Yes, I am just giving you an idea. You are very much creative. My children are very smart. Yes? Yes, good. See, one more thing, you can draw a line in the baskets. You can draw one color in between, or give cross lines, and you can give colors based on that. Anything you can give. Okay, it depends on your idea. Okay, my children are very much creative now. Yes. Okay, very good, children. Keep it up. Done? Okay, now comes the next part. What is it? What they have given? First, what we should do? We should read the topic. Color the 2 shapes which, when joined together, will form a circle. You remember? See here, children. First, understand the topic. See, they have given so many shapes. Correct, na? Okay. In that, see, they have so many shapes they have given, na? Okay, triangle is there, half circle, circle, oval, slice, dice shape, rectangle, many shapes are there. Okay, if you join which 2 shapes together will form a circle. That is what they have asked. What they have asked? See, you should get, if we join which 2 shape, you will get a circle. See, there are what first the shape is? The half circle. Next is triangle. If you join the half circle and the triangle, you will get a full square circle. No, correct. Next is a square. Will it cover? Square is always 4-sided and equal in size, equal in numbers. Correct. Next is oval. Oval shape is different. You can't combine 2. Correct. And next is rectangle. Can you combine? No, rectangle is already closed. See, a full rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Remember na? Yes, good. And what is it next? Second line pictures, the shapes. There comes the first. What is that? A slice of a triangle. If you join with that, can you get No. If you join with any other shape, you will get a particular circle. No. Children, you remember? This is a full circle. Yes. One half circle, other half circle joins to make a full circle. What is it? One half circle, other half circle joins to make a full circle. Correct? So what we should do? Yes, two half circle. One half circle and other half circle. Yes, see, one half circle. Okay, this way one half circle and other half circle should make a exactly full circle. So what we should color? First thing and the second line, that half circle. Two half circle will form a full circle. Correct, children. Very good. Now, so which two shapes we are going to color? First half circle and the other half circle. One half circle, other half circle, make a full circle. Form a circle. Okay? Understood? Great, children. Very nice of you. So nice. Children are very good. Colored? Drawn? Whatever. What is there to draw? Only to color, right? Yes. You did very nicely, children. So nice of you. So cute. Okay. See here, I am going to give you a homework. Only one page homework. Okay. Will you all do? Yes. Whatever. Excellent. See. Take page number 5858. Yes, page number 5858. Write HW, which means homework. You are going to write this. See how they have written. You all know now how to write tens and ones. Yes, one numbering, one box. Correct. See, they have written 71 to 81 the same type. You are going to repeat it 3 times. Okay. Yes, children? Very nice of you. Correct. Perfect. Write HW on the top. Very good, children. Keep it up. So, you will write homework and show it to us. Okay? Okay, children. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.